Investing in Terra Luna, everything you need to know. Terra Luna is a decentralized financial infrastructure and blockchain protocol that introduces some unique concepts and theories into the market. The network leverages a native token, stablecoin protocol, oracle system, and smart contracts to bring users programmable money for the internet. Keep watching to learn applicable knowledge on investing in Terra Luna. Before that, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest cryptocurrencies guides. Share the video with your friends. If you want to ask any question and clarify your confusions, feel free to write on the comment section. The project offers multiple stablecoin options that provide instant settlement. To accomplish this task, Terra relies on a price stability algorithm that actively alters the monetary supply of an asset to retain value. In this way, Terra can provide users with lower fees, more stability, seamless cross-border exchanges, and highly responsive financial assets. What problems does Terra Luna solve? Terra seeks to alleviate many issues currently faced by the world's top stablecoins. For one, the network wants to reduce centralization in the market. Unlike the competition, Terra's protocol functions across multiple blockchains. The network also seeks to remove technical limitations on these assets through its open financial infrastructure. Benefits of Terra Luna. Terra Luna brings a lot of benefits to the market. Its decentralized and permissionless nature makes it ideal for the digital economy. The network offers competitive programmable payments, logistics, and an infrastructure designed to simplify dApp and stablecoin development. 1. Interoperability. Terra is all about interoperability. The network is designed to run on multiple chains, connected by the Cosmos IBC. Currently, Terra is live on Ethereum and Solana. Developers have announced plans to expand their protocol to include other top-performing blockchains in the near future. 2. Programmable. Terra has a development-focused agenda. The network allows programmers to build smart contracts in Rust, Go, or assembly script. Additionally, you can add extra functionality to your dApp through the use of the network's oracles. Oracles are off-chain sensors that have the ability to communicate data to and from the blockchain. Oracles are critical to many blockchain networks, especially when used for price discovery purposes. 3. Streamlined financial. Building a transparent ecosystem was at the forefront of Terra's development team's goals. The network was built from the ground up to replace the complicated payments value chain. Specifically, Terra helps to reduce or completely remove the need for credit card networks, banks, and payment gateways with a single blockchain layer. How does Terra Luna work? Terra utilizes a programmable infrastructure to provide the market with self-stabilizing stablecoins and other unique features. To accomplish this task, the network relies on an elastic monetary supply mechanism. The platform automatically adjusts the supply of its stablecoins to ensure that their values remain pegged to their underlying assets. Stablecoins. There are many different types of stablecoins available on Terra at this time. Specifically, you can access Terra USD, UST, which is pegged to the US dollar, Terra KRW, KRT, which is pegged to the South Korean won, Terra MNT, which is pegged to the Mongolian tugruk, and Terra SDR, SDT, which is pegged to the IMF's SDR unit of account. Anchor Protocol. The network introduces the Anchor Protocol as a means for Terra stablecoin holders to earn rewards. Terra stablecoins earn rewards similar to a savings account. The protocol supports instant deposits and withdrawals. Anchor also functions as a lending protocol that allows borrowers to put down liquid staked POS assets from major blockchains as collateral for short-term loans. Mirror Protocol. Terra users can easily create fungible assets using the Mirror Protocol. These newly created assets are known as synthetics. Notably, to mint a mirror asset, MASSET, you simply need to lock up greater than 150% of the current asset's value in Terra stablecoins or MASSETs as collateral. Gas. Similar to Ethereum's approach, Terra requires the use of gas to execute smart contracts. This strategy helps to eliminate spam on the blockchain and adds another layer of incentivization for miners to execute these actions. Staking. You can also stake Luna and earn rewards. In the Terra ecosystem, staking rewards are derived from a combination of gas, compute fees, taxes, and seigniorage rewards. Specifically, a small percentage transaction fee ranging from 0.1% to 1% on every Terra transaction bolsters these earnings for stackers.